How does the purchase of Japanese goods through the GSM Japan service work? Through our website, you gain access to millions of items from platforms such as Amazon, Mercury, Rakuten, and Yahoo Shopping without additional markups directly from suppliers. To place an order, click on the product and you will see its price, our commission for the purchase, which is approximately $3, and in rare cases, the cost of delivery within Japan. There is also a calculate shipping button here. Click on it, enter your country and the approximate dimensions of the package. The website will calculate the shipping cost to your address. If you are satisfied with everything, add the product to your cart and fill in the necessary information to place your order. Payment is made in 2 stages. First, you pay for the product, our commission, and if necessary, the shipping within Japan. This is done through the finance section in your personal account, where you can top up your balance using any convenient methods such as a bank card, PayPal, or a bank account. Immediately after receiving the payment, we purchase the product and it arrives at our warehouse in the city of Tayama. When the order arrives, usually within 2 to 3 business days, we will send you notifications via email, and the order status in your personal account will change to in stock in Japan, order the package. Now we are preparing the order for shipment to your country. Upon request, we can provide photo and video reviews so that you can verify the compliance and integrity of the products. To organize international delivery, go to the packages section and provide the necessary information. This step allows you to select multiple products to combine them into one package. After consolidation and weighing, we will determine the shipping cost and inform you. Now the second stage of payment takes place. This is the payment for delivery from Japan to your country. Information about the weight, dimensions, and cost of international shipping will appear in the packages section of your personal account, and we will send you a notification via email. If your balance is insufficient, don't worry. We will also remind you of this via email, and you will be able to top up your account with the necessary amount again. After the payment for delivery, we will organize the shipment of your package to the specified address on the next business day, preparing all the necessary documentation. In the packages section of your personal account, the status shipped from Japan will appear, along with the tracking number. You can track each stage of the package through the website gdpozilka.ru. Simply enter your tracking number and click the Track Package button. Depending on your location, delivery will take an average of 10 to 20 days. Now let's share a life hack on how to place an order so that the delivery costs are minimized. For example, if you ordered a shampoo weighing 1.2 kilos, you would have to pay for its delivery as a 2-kilogram shipment. Therefore, it would be more cost-effective to add items to this same package until it reaches 2 kilograms. The delivery cost will remain the same, but now it will be distributed across all items. You can also place an order together with a friend and split the delivery cost between the two of you. Buying through our service is advantageous as the same products in the CIS countries cost 2 to 3 times more. And there is no guarantee of originality. We deliver products directly from Japan and without markup. We wish you happy shopping.